So okay, I have here a pocket knife. I have a pen, a modified pen with electrical tape and gaffer tape. The gaffer tape is really nice. There is a small first aid kit with some electrolytes and bandage. Very tiny, something small. I'll try to put these things in. The pen, I want to put it in the bag because it's don't want to leak. I don't want it to leak, and there are also some post-it notes here, so it could go like this, something like that. Not sure how the post-it notes will stick there, but doesn't really matter. I could actually put it somewhere here. So let's try. So I could put the pen here with the just turn it a little bit with the post-it notes. That goes all the way to the edge, so I like that. That's pretty nice. And this bag, I could either put it here in the same place, or I could put it behind here. I think I will put it on this side. Or maybe I'll put it here. Okay. So it goes all the way in, so you can really have a bag with things here. You could actually hold it. It's interesting, you could hold this wallet like this, inside out, like that. That could be an interesting application, like that. Okay, so the label is gone here, much better. I'll try to put the Victorinox angler here. Let's see if it fits. So this is probably not gonna fit, and if it does fit, it might be very bulky. So it does fit in the coin box and the coin pocket the same way as in the big wallet, but we'll see now if it closes. And it's already kind of getting a little bit on the bulky side, but I want to try and see if I can close it. So I close it. Yeah. So there is the Victorinox angler inside. It's a 4 or 5 layers, I think it's 4 layers pocket knife, and it feels pretty good. I'll try to put the compact. Let's see how the compact looks like. And this is flexible, this kind of mesh, so it will not get damaged unless you have some sharp corners, but they don't have. Like, all the tools here are closed, everything is closed here. So the Victorinox Compact fits way better in this place. Okay, and I have this pocket there. It's much easier to close it. So the angler is 4 layers. It's a 4-layer pocket knife. I like this fish. It's a nice fish. Yeah, so I can carry a few essential items, especially the pocket knife, and cash especially. I mean, you could always put some cash in this thing. There is a... I could put cash in this pocket here. I could put some in this pocket. Most of the time I use the card or the phone to pay, so there's gonna be probably one card that is not so important here, and the phone. I will pay with the phone. This is just for small items that might be needed, like some bandage or miniature first aid kit, but this is going to be in the pocket It has a pocket knife there. I could put some coins. I could put like a small, very tiny EDC kit there. And that's the size of a wallet. You can put this in your pocket, in the front pocket of your jeans or cargo pants, in the back pocket also. That's it.